guys, this is Nidhi and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a flawless base, how to apply foundation, how to apply the concealer, how you can hide your dark circles, how to contour the face, highlight the face, everything about achieving and creating that flawless base, and also how you should prepare your skin before you start applying foundation. So I'm going to take you through each and every step to create this beautiful skin. So it's going to be a nice detailed video on creating a flawless base. You can see my face before makeup and after the makeup, what difference this makeup creates. As you can see, I have some pigmentation here, dark circles, my eyes look puffy. We're going to take care of all these things and create a very beautiful base. So let's get started now. So the first step is always to moisturize your skin well. My skin is pretty dry and I am using this Perenne moisturizer, which is great for dry to normal skin. When you're applying a moisturizer, never forget your under eye skin, because if your under eye skin is dry or flaky, your concealer won't set, and the moment we'll apply the powder, it will become very flaky. Just massaging the moisturizer well. Right, so next I'm taking this oil from Perenne. You can mix this oil in your foundation or apply it on your skin before applying foundation. It glides very beautifully on the skin. And it's a non-sticky oil, guys, so it's great for all skin types. So even if you have an oily skin, you can completely use this. Guys, now the next step is to use a primer. Well, I usually don't have pores on my face, but if you have pores on your skin, then you should use the primer all over your face, on your pores, so that your foundation doesn't seep inside your pores and doesn't clog your pores. And also, if you have an oily skin, then definitely primer is a must, so that your skin stays little matte and your foundation stays longer. Well, I'm just taking very little primer and applying it here. Just this area is where I usually apply the primer if I have to. Otherwise, I just skip this step, guys. Now let's just go on to the foundation part. So I'm using this Huda Beauty foundation in shade Amarattei. The reason why I'm using this foundation is I have to go out somewhere, and that party will be like all night, and it's just 5 o'clock in the evening. I am getting ready early because I have some work, and also I wanted to shoot this video. So I want my makeup to be there on my face for at least good 10 hours. So this is a very high coverage foundation and it lasts very long. Now I am applying this with the help of this round foundation brush from PAC. This is 003. Blending it all over my face with this, and if I think I need more coverage, we'll go ahead and apply some more, but take very little quantity to start with, and then you can again apply a second coat if you feel you need more coverage. Now you can see this foundation is pretty yellow for my skin tone. Well, we're gonna fix that. Now I'm taking a beauty blender and just pushing the foundation in my skin, just to make sure that there are no lines left from that brush. Guys, this is how the skin is looking right now. You can see the foundation has already taken care of a lot of blemishes and marks. So now let's go on to the concealer part. So I'm using this Nars concealer in shade Ginger. Just applying it under my eyes. And if I see marks here, then I'll just apply it there. See little marks here. With the help of a beauty blender, I'll be blending this concealer. Also guys, there is no hard and fast rule that you have to apply concealer later. Usually when I deal with problematic skin, or I see skin with a lot of marks and pigmentation, I apply the concealer first, try to hide everything with the help of the concealer, and then on top of it I apply the foundation. So but since I don't have a lot of issues with when it comes to pigmentation or marks, and whenever I apply a foundation, that layer, like the foundation usually takes care of all the pigmentation, so that's what I like to do. I like to apply the foundation first and then apply the concealer just under the eyes to highlight my under eye area. Can you see suddenly the face has started looking brighter? It's only because of this under eye area which is now highlighted. It's looking so much more brighter. Even the face, if you can see, is not looking as yellow as it was the moment I applied that foundation, right? Now it has become brighter. In fact, the foundation is also now getting absorbed in the skin very nicely. Guys, I really want to highlight my face today and do that proper contouring. So I'm using this lighter shade of concealer now. This one is from Nars. The shade is called Custard. So this is a lighter shade which I am applying now on my highlighting points. So guys, these are the highlighting points where I have applied the lighter shade of concealer. Now I'm going to the cream contour and applying it. I've already done a video on placement of contour products, where to apply the contour and how to apply it. Doing the cream contour here on the forehead area because my forehead is pretty big. If you want, you can go on the nose, but I think I'll just do the powder contour there. Guys, this is how the face looks. Let's just blend everything properly and quickly before it dries out. Be careful of not spoiling your eye makeup. Blending this concealer in an upward direction. Now, see the movement, guys. This is not what I do every time I go out. I just do a powder contour on top of my foundation and concealer, but I'm just doing this video because a lot of you asked me for a really detailed video. Alright, so just left with the contouring part. Let's just blend this also from the other side of the beauty blender. Now I'm taking this powder contour palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and just taking these two shades here and applying it on top of our cream contour. Whenever you apply a cream product, you need to set it with a powder product. If you're doing cream contour and a powder contour, you need to do the cream contour first and then the powder contour. So it's like figure of 3 when you're doing contouring. Contouring my nose also. Now taking some loose powder, I'm using Laura Mercier loose powder. So applying it under the eye, and we'll just leave it for some time for it to bake and settle. I don't bake my under eye for too long because it gets too dry, which I don't like that entire dry feel going on my skin. I like my skin to look very nice, dewy and moist. And now just taking this fluffy brush to apply the powder all over my face so that the makeup stays in place. It's an important step, but again, it's very important how much product you're applying. You can just see I've taken very little powder, and now I'm just pushing the powder here on my skin. I'm not dragging the brush, I am just literally pushing the powder. Taking out the powder that we had left under the eyes. You can use a smaller brush under the eyes if you're more comfortable with that. Now guys, after you apply powder on your face, do not go back with the cream product because that would cause patches on your skin and your foundation would shift. So only use powder products now in case if you think you need more contouring, if your contouring has faded because of powder. After powdering your face, you can go ahead and use a powder contour only or use a bronzer, whatever you like, but remember, only a powder product. Don't put cream product on top of this. Now I'm just taking some blusher and applying it. So guys, since my under eye makeup, as in the concealer and foundation, is set, we have applied powder, so I am just finishing my under eye makeup. Alright, so I completed my eye makeup and I am back. You can see I've applied some lashes and did the lower lash makeup. Now comes my favorite part, which is applying a highlighter. So it just goes here on like the cheekbone. You can apply some here on your cupid, right here, and center of the nose. So you can use a fan brush to apply this or use a brush like this, but I would suggest using a fan brush is much more easier when you're a beginner because then there's not too much product that comes on your brush. Now, since I'm wearing this off-shoulder dress, I'm going to highlight my collarbones as well. Really confused about what lipstick should I wear today. I really wanted to wear red, but it's still daytime. I think I will change it into a red lipstick later. So I'm lining my lips with this lip liner. This one is from PAC. It's called Hello Pink. I'm applying this lipstick from Chanel. This is in shade 43. The reason I applied that pink or nude lip liner was because I really wanted to wear like a nude pink shade, but then the moment I opened the makeup kit, I changed my mind because I saw this shade and I was like, let me just wear this. It's been long since I wore this lipstick. Guys, I'm back with this piece of jewelry. I just added this in my look. What do you guys think about it? Also guys, as you can see, the base, it's looking absolutely flawless. The face is glowing. I love how beautifully everything has, blended in my skin. That's why I say quantity of the product is very, very important, and of course blending is, and also choosing the right shade, guys. So make sure you choose the right shade of foundation. Initially, you remember when I applied the foundation, it was looking a bit yellow, but I told you guys that wait for it, we'll highlight our face and it will get better. So yes, you will understand all these things with time. You do have to experiment sometimes with certain shades, like even I have foundations which are lighter than my skin tone. Then I usually mix it. I don't waste it. I don't throw those shades just because that's not the right shade for me. I mix it with a darker shade or use a darker concealer and create the base. So it's just about experimenting, guys. Makeup is all about experimenting. You have to see what looks best on you, on your skin, what product blends properly in your skin, how you need to prepare your skin before applying the foundation. So yes, all these things are very, very important. If you don't apply the right moisturizer, if you don't apply the primer, if your skin needs it, your base will start breaking. You will see fine lines. Your base won't stay for very, very long. So yes, keep these things in mind. And also guys, I need to go now. I need to go and party with my friends. So I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Please drop in the comment below if you enjoyed this makeup. If you guys, I'll see you all soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, guys, in this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you all very, very soon.